Hi everyone, my name is John Savill and welcome to my course Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Provision Azure Resources. I'm a Principal Technical Architect at the Dallas Microsoft Technology Center. As organizations adopt Azure, one of the key challenges can be, well, how do I provision resources the right way in terms of accessing features and optimizing performance? In this course, we're going to look at the options available to provision resources in Azure and how to pick which one to use. By the end of this course, you'll know the options available for resource provisioning in Azure, including PowerShell, CLI, and ARM templates. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about deploying resources the right way in Azure with the Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Provision Azure Resources course at Pluralsight.